Wish has loads of really weird sound bars and Bluetooth speakers and everything like that. And I think we found a really weird looking cool one today by SOAIY. I don't know. This is the SOAIY SH39, and let's find if it's an SH1T. I don't know. Did it get broken in shipping? It's all like bent. It has an 1800R curve, which would fit in front of a curved monitor. I'm not sure I've seen that before, which is kind of neat. We found this thing on Wish, and it is a gaming speaker, Bluetooth 5.0 soundbar, computer audio, desktop subwoofer, 3D surround, desktop clock. You get USB micro B. That's cool. Haven't seen one of those in years. An aux cord for only my phone these days. Stereo aux cord. And manual all in foreign. At first I thought the top was all super scratched, but it's actually got this awesome peel on it. So shall we do that? No. No? Okay. I have a pretty bad hate of piano black. How about mirrored? That sounds better. Yeah, that's... Keep a microfiber cloth near this. First impressions, it's kind of interesting that it's curved. I haven't really seen that before from anybody, which is kind of interesting. Even Razer, I couldn't expect some sort of curve. It looks like it's got all these switches on the front, and these are actually like mechanical keyboard switches. I can see them. They're like a cherry blue or something, actually. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Looks like we've got some nice pads on the bottom to keep it from sliding around. And on the back here, we have a lot of weird and wonderful ports. We've got USB 5 volt in from that micro B, our aux cord, our microphone input, which is also kind of interesting. I thought it had one built in, but it's just got an input for one. And the last one is a micro SD card slot. It doesn't feel super heavy, but it doesn't also feel super light either. It's plasticky, but it kind of feels quite sturdy, which is good. There is a battery in here. It is a battery powered Bluetooth speaker. This doesn't seem to turn on, so I'm gonna give it a charge while you listen to our sponsor.
Drop in their CSTM80 10 keyless keyboard with a plethora of customization options, including a decorative top case that fits magnetically onto the bottom case, giving you the ability to choose from multiple colors for your keyboard. You can also pick up different keyboard weights and switch plates to tailor your typing experience. And of course, it features hot swappable switches, RGB, and supports QMK via and VIAL. So learn more about the Drop CSTM80 at the link down in the description.
I've had it on charge for a bit here, so let's turn it on, see what happens. Oh, there we go. Yeah, me too. Okay, that's not a color, that's a thermometer. So they didn't even list that on the website. So it's got thermometer. What about this one? This one's lighting. Look at that. We have a power button, we've got our mode button, which I guess changes it between the various inputs on the back. We've got a couple alarms, which is interesting. We can set the clock. Next up, we have a temperature display, so it'll show you the current temperature. It's currently 26. We've got volume adjustment. The button in the center here is called the game button. Doesn't do anything, I don't know. We've got some transport controls here, and on the last one, we've got lighting controls, which is kind of neat. It's cool that it's got a dedicated game button, but let's listen to some music and see how bad it actually sounds. Well, I guess it sounds kind of okay. That is max volume, so it doesn't get super loud. Yeah, I was wondering why there was 4 speakers when the website only said there was 2. These 2 on the outside, I believe, are fake. They were moving around from kind of some of the bass reflex, but yeah, they're not producing any sound. Even touching them is like there's nothing there. It actually sounds pretty okay for a, what, it's like a $60 speaker or something like that. Well, it seems to perform at music fine, but it's for gaming, so let's try it for gaming. You only need 2 speakers for gaming. We brought in a curved monitor, and yeah, it's a 1800R, which is kind of neat. It fits the curve. There's the mode switch button, which switches between your Bluetooth and your radio and things like that. And the gaming button actually just switches it to like the USB input, which is kind of interesting. So it's going to charge it and also hook it up to your computer. It would have been really neat if there was some pass-throughs on the bottom so that I could put my, keyboard cable under there, or I don't know if they just assume all your peripherals are going to be Bluetooth. So now I got all these wires everywhere, and this one's at the top. The volume is controlled separately from the computer, so I have this at 100%. It makes a horrible beep when you get to maximum volume. Oh boy, that sounds bad. It's a little crunchy. to be perfectly honest. It's not really that punchy, and I'm not really getting a good stereo effect either. Let's try it in Bluetooth mode, because it kind of sounded a bit better in Bluetooth mode. Well, this is going fantastic. I love it. Oh my God. So you can be connected to Bluetooth and the computer simultaneously? Like maybe that's the problem? I actually don't care.
声音模式
Ah!
时钟模式 蓝牙模式 声音模式 时钟模式
Can I give up now? I don't know. We're connected to the computer okay with the USB, the Bluetooth. I don't know if that's it, or I mean, it was fine on my phone. This is kind of the problem with buying little things and questionable tech off of Wish or AliExpress or any of the other websites on the internet. It doesn't even have 4 speakers. The keys that are made of mechanical are actually really neat. I would love to see that on more products. I think that's cool. Yeah, I don't know.
声音模式
Yeah, me too. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this, check out some of the other Bluetooth speakers that I've had a look at, which might actually be worth the money.